All living things, plants, animals, including human beings, need energy to live and grow. They get this energy from food. Thus, food acts as fuel for all living organisms and helps them to do various day-to-day activities efficiently. So all living organisms need food to get energy, for growth and development, for repair and maintenance of body, to fight diseases, to regulate all the body functions. Variety of food. Different people eat different types of food according to their habits, lifestyle, taste and availability. Human beings are omnivorous, which means we eat food obtained from plants as well as from animals. On this basis, people are classified as vegetarians or non-vegetarians. Vegetarians. People who eat only plant products or parts of plants are called vegetarians. Non-vegetarians. People who eat plant products as well as animal products such as meat, fish, etc. are called non-vegetarians. Different kinds of food are eaten in different regions of India, like South Indian food, Gujarati food, Rajasthani food, Punjabi food, Bengali food, etc. Food is taken both in cooked as well as raw, uncooked form. We eat raw fruits like apple, papaya, mango, etc. Some vegetables like radish, carrot, tomato, etc. are also eaten raw. Wheat, rice, pulses, meat, etc. are cooked before eating. Do you eat cucumber in the raw or cooked form? Grouping of living organisms on the basis of their food habits. Autotrophs. Living organisms which can make their own food are called autotrophs. All green plants can make their food by process of photosynthesis. That is, they can make their food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. They are also called producers as they produce food for themselves and for others. Heterotrophs. Living organisms which depend on autotrophs for their food directly or indirectly are called heterotrophs. They are also called consumers. Example, animals, human beings, etc. On the basis of their eating habits, heterotrophs can be divided into various categories. Animals, heterotrophs. Herbivores. Herb, plant, vorous, to eat. Herbivorous animals. Carnivores. Carni, flesh, vorous, to eat. Carnivorous animals. Omnivores. Omni, all, vorous, to eat. Omnivorous animals. Herbivores. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Example, cow, buffalo, rabbit, deer, horse, giraffe, etc. Carnivores. Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Example, lion, snake, eagle, cheetah, vulture, kingfisher, wolf, etc. Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Example, crows, cockroaches, bears, human beings, etc. Food chain. Let us discuss the food chain given in the figure. Here, green plants are eaten by goat, so goat is a herbivore, which in turn is eaten by lion, which is carnivore. Man can eat both plants as well as animals. goat, so man is omnivore. Sources of food. Most of the food which we eat comes from plants and animals. So the main sources of our food are plants and animals. Plants as a source of our food. Green plants are the primary sources of food. Various parts of plants such as roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds are used as food by us. The parts of a plant which can be eaten are called edible parts, while the other parts which cannot be eaten are called non-edible parts. For example, in a tomato plant, only the fruit part, that is, tomato, is edible. Other parts like root, stem and leaves are non-edible. Various parts of different plants that we eat as food. Roots. In plants like carrot, radish, beetroot, sweet potato and turnip, roots are swollen up due to storage of food. These modified roots are used as a source of food by us. In some countries, sugar is obtained from beetroot stems. Modified underground stems of some plants are used as a source of food. Example, onion, potato, ginger, garlic, turmeric, colocasia, arvi. We get sugar and jaggery, gur, from the stem of sugar cane. The stem of the banana plant is used to make many tasty dishes in southern India. Leaves. We eat many leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are a rich source of minerals. Example, spinach, cabbage, lettuce, methi. Flowers. Flowers of certain plants are also used as a source of food. Example, cauliflower, rose, broccoli. Fruits. Fruits of many plants are used as food. Many fruits are eaten raw. Fruits of plants are also used as vegetables. Example, brinjal, tomato, pumpkin, pea, ladyfinger, cucumber, beans are fruits of plants that develop from flower and have seeds. In some plants, fruits are dried and eaten by us. Seeds. Seeds are a rich sources of food for human beings and animals. Cereals. Cereals are rich sources of carbohydrates. Example, wheat, rice, pulses, maize, millets, sorghum, etc. Pulses. Dal. Gram, chana. Green gram, moong. Black gram, pigeon pea, etc. are protein-rich food. Oil seeds. Some seeds also provide us with oil. Some oil-yielding seeds are mustard, groundnut, soya bean, castor, sunflower, etc. Nuts. Seeds of some plants contain nuts, which are high-energy food. Animals as source of food. Various animal products that we eat. Milk. Milk is an important animal product. It contains proteins and calcium which are good for our health. Main milk producing animals in India are cows and buffaloes, but milk of goat, sheep and camel is also used in some parts of our country. Milk producing animals are called milch animals. Many products are obtained from milk, which are called dairy products. Example, cheese, butter, ghee, curd, etc. Cheese and curd are formed by the action of microorganisms under the process of pasteurization. Meat. Animals such as chicken, goat, and fish are eaten as meat. In some parts of the world, prawns, snails, crabs are also eaten and referred to as seafood. The rearing of fish on a large scale is called pisciculture. Honey. Honey is produced by honey bees. Honey bees collect nectar, a sugary liquid, from the flowers and convert it into honey. They store this honey into their hives. The hives which contain honey are called honeycomb. Honey is taken as food and also as medicine. Eggs. Eggs of certain birds like hen, goose, and duck are eaten as food. However, main source of eggs is hen. It is a rich source of protein. Birds which produce eggs are referred to as poultry animals.